Today, I'm going to show you how to change the color of any object in Adobe Premiere Pro using a simple and powerful tool inside Lumetri Color. First, right-click in your project panel and create a new adjustment layer. Then, place the adjustment layer above your clip on the timeline. Highlight the adjustment layer where you want to change the color and make sure it's selected. Now, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down, make sure Lumetri Color is checked. If it wasn't visible before, it will now appear on the right side of your screen. In the Lumetri Color panel, scroll down and open the Curves section. Here you'll find several color curve options. Look for the one called Hue versus Hue. This is the tool we'll use to change colors. Beside Hue versus Hue, you'll see a small eyedropper tool. Click on the dropper, then go to your video preview and click directly on the color of the object you want to change. Premiere Pro will automatically place 3 points on the curve based on that selected color. Now you can drag the middle point up or down to shift the color. Dragging it up pushes the color toward warmer tones. Dragging it down shifts it toward cooler tones. You can also adjust the outer points to widen or narrow the color range for more precise control. If the color change affects other unwanted areas, simply tighten the control points. You can also use Hue versus Saturation or Hue versus Luma to refine the look even further. Take your time until the object color looks exactly the way you want. Follow for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.